how to stop people from seeing that you viewed their profile on TikTok. Now, this is a very privacy related matter. So, if you care about your privacy, you would not want people to know that you have viewed their profile. Now, to now make this possible, first open up your TikTok. After you open up your TikTok, go to your profile that's on the bottom right, and then there you will see two feet like looking icon on the top right. Now there you can see by default it's turned on. Let me turn it on just to show it to you. Now there you can see that uh, a person has viewed my profile. Now this is very similar to others who can see that you have viewed their profile. Now what you can do is tap on the top gear icon that's on the top right, and then uh, turn off this profile view history off. Now after you do so, you will not be able to know see who have viewed your profile, but others will also not be able to see that you have viewed their profile. So that is how you do it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and then make sure you stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.